How about this for an EV? The Porsche Taycan Cross Turismo, which obviously is not out yet, but it was spotted just out there in broad daylight in a parking lot in California, I believe, and it has some crazy looking rims on it. Cool. They look like ninja blades, stars type things. Those are sharp. Uh-huh. Now the Cross Turismo, if you're wondering what that means, in Porsche land at least, it means it's a hatchback. It's a little bit more cargo room for the road trip, but similar performance, if not identical. Maybe it's a little heavier, but to the regular version of the Taycan. And apparently it will be coming out in that variety of models as well. So you'll be able to pick this one up in the 522 horsepower, the regular 4S, 670 horsepower turbo, and maybe even the 750 horsepower turbo S version of it. So I don't think I'm going to trade mine for one of these, but definitely if it's your only car and you want a little more cargo, like you want to put the dog in the back or something, you have a little more, like the length of the car looks identical, but you just have a little bit more height in the back where the hatchback is. So some people might want to go for that. Some people are wildly against these things. They think it's a sports car. What are you doing with the hatchback? But you can definitely make the practicality argument. Can you not, Will?
Yeah. If you have like a family, you need more storage. Also, the rims, they look kind of cool.
Yeah. The rims
Are
may
they only
become...
for the Turismo version?
Maybe, but likely it's just the next model year will have that rim option probably for all of them. Oh. So, yeah. Porsche's making some cool-looking electric vehicles. You got to say that. Yeah. I mean, there's definitely a price tag to go with it, but you got to say that at least. Mm-hmm.